Oh, you mean this little thing? Let's do it. All right, so very first thing, of course, is you want to turn the machine on. It opens up here as well as here. Now, physical appearance, one of the very first things that you should notice, the difference between your serger and your sewing machine is that this has 4 spools of thread back here. Also, as far as the needles, you have 2 needles for this particular machine. You want to get your 4 big spools, whatever colors you're switching your thread to. Go ahead and get your 4 big spools and let's get this thing threaded. Okay, so first and foremost, let me say this. If you are only swapping out your color and your machine is threaded perfectly fine, do not pull your spools completely out. Just cut it back here, put your new color on, and do a single knot and pull it through. Okay, so on the inside of your machine, on this side, there is going to be a diagram that literally tells you step by step how to thread each of your spools of thread. I think that's why I love this machine so much, is because this diagram right here is the best I have ever seen. It looks exactly like the machine, okay? And they color coded it for you so that you don't get lost while you're threading the machine. So that was amazing. This color right here, I kept threaded because when I go through the instructions here to show you guys an example, I know that I'm not going to be able to get my camera in here. With this thread, as you can see, I went down and I went through the machine. Then I had to come out on this side. I knew I wouldn't be able to get that angle, but I will show you the next one, which is this red line right here. Follow along. All right, set your thread on the back. You're going to see 4 little notches for your spools of thread. It shows you to go in this little silver hole, in and out. Okay. So when you put your thread in there, you'll see right here on the diagram how it's kind of twisted on that bar. That means they went in one hole, went under, and came out of the other hole. Then we're going to go to this little piece right here. I'm literally just going to hook my thread around there. After I do that part, it tells me to go under this circle. So I'm just literally going to go under and loop it on this metal piece because that's what it showed me to do down here. I'm going to then keep straight and loop my thread into this little part. As you can see, it's identical. That looks just like that. Then it tells me to go to this part of the machine, put my thread in there. Then it tells me to go up, pull my thread up, and go into this needle right here.